I just dropped my brand new Momo wheel. It slipped out of the box. Oh, no. Well, here's the surprise. Doesn't look like it got damaged or anything, but we'll do a proper look through. I gotta pick up the pieces though. Okay. This was gonna be it. But yeah, it was a happy Christmas. Hope everyone had a good Christmas. We went down to Chicago, and then we're also in Green Bay, just hanging out with family. But we're back now with some new parts, eager to work on some stuff. So today, we're going to take off the stock steering wheel in the 5 Series and get it ready for this guy, which I'm super excited for. This is the Momo Drifting Suede 33. It's the only drift wheel that Momo makes, so yeah, legit. I'm super stoked. Black with the yellow center strips, super clean. The yellow doesn't necessarily go with the interior color of the car, but I wanted to get a really nice wheel and not something crappy, and this is just what they had. We got the center horn button that is now, the back shielding is dented after I dropped it. But that's going to be behind the wheel, so it should be okay. What a bummer. There's a little snap clip that comes with the horn button, and then ground wires for the horn. But yeah, let's get right into taking that wheel off. Okay, first we gotta undo this battery, which requires. This is gonna be rough with one hand here. Requires this guy. Oh. Battery's just a 10 mil. Okay. That out of the way. Let's stay there. Okay. Okay, we need a little flathead screwdriver to pop off the center cap for the steering wheel. Yep. Pops out. Disconnect the horn. It's just 2 little cables, ground and a power. And then this is what we're looking at. So we gotta take this center nut off. Go figure out what size it is. Okay, so it turns out it's a 22 mil, and you just take this big nut off. I got the wheel straight and it's locked, so we're gonna see how this goes. Alright, I gotta fight with this. Okay, I was able to get it with the big breaker bar. So now we'll just take this off. This guy. I read on the forums you don't want to do it with the wheel locked, like in the lock position. It might break the auto locking feature or whatever. It was fucking rough to get though. Okay. This nut. guess we can take the key out. And then there's a washer in there apparently. Okay, we're gonna get this wheel off. What's up? Okay, 10 out of 10, we're a big dummy. The locking mechanism, has to be off, otherwise it's not going to let the wheel slide off. So this is the locking mechanism, I'm assuming, and the key has to be in the first position. You can see that barely move, and then it just literally popped right off. That washer that I was trying to get went fucking flying. We got it, got this. So now we just have to go pick up the new hub from my buddy, and we will be ready to put the momo on. Okay, so the quick release is really easy. It's just 2 pieces. You pull the wheel off, and then you got this bottom piece here that you just bolt to the hub. You got to make sure the locking part slides underneath the top locking unit, and then tighten it up. And I'm going to torque it down to spec, and then you just bolt that other part right over the top of it with the bolts that are given to you. You got these guys here, and then you bolt your wheel to there. Should be forward. I'll show you guys when I got it all put together. We got it all set up. Quick release is in. It's all working good. All the bolts tightened down. Looks sick. It's a little close to the seat, but when a bucket's in here, it might be a different position. And for me, I'm not that big of a guy, so it's pretty perfect. I just drove it around the yard and it works super good. Super stoked. Big thanks to my buddy John for hooking it up with the hub. This momo wheel is great, and yeah, we're one step closer to getting this thing ready for next season. So thanks for watching, and if you want to see more, like and subscribe, and otherwise we'll catch you in the next one.